Assalamualaikum and hi. We're going to introduce our bus ticket booking system. For the introduction, the purpose of this project is to develop a bus ticket booking system that provides a more efficient and systematic way for passengers to book a bus ticket. The system helps users to check bus schedules, make online bookings, and view booking details easily. In addition, this project aims to reduce delays and errors caused by manual bookings methods while helping administrators manage schedules and booking more effectively. For our problem statement, the first one, passengers have to stand in a line at the counter to book tickets. Second, data redundancy and booking errors can result from manual bookings of tickets. The third one, difficulties in scheduling the buses and recording passenger details manually. After that, payment details cannot be well recorded, and the last one, no proper system in place for generating feedback reports. We have four objectives, which is to create an online interface that make it easier to book bus tickets. Second, to systematically manage the schedules of buses themselves, drivers and passengers delays. After that, to minimize the occurrence of booking errors, and the last one, to make the process of payment and recording details more efficient.
First, let's look at the contact diagram of the bus ticket reservation system. This diagram shows the overall system as a single process and how it interacts with external entities. The passenger provides schedule info, booking details, payment details, and feedback. In return, the system sends back ticket details and payment receipt. The admin supplies bus assignment detail, bus schedule, and route data. The system also generates report for the admin. The driver receives driver assignment details and provide driver status detail back to the system. In short, the contact diagram highlights the three external entities: passenger, admin, and driver, and the main flow of information with the bus ticket reservation system.
So now I will explain about DFD level 0. First, booking bus ticket. The passenger inputs their booking details. The process saves the passenger's detail into passenger record and record the booking details into ticket record. Finally, the system sends back the confirmed trip information to the passenger. Next, payment processing bus ticket. The passenger submit their payment details. This process fetch the corresponding ticket info from ticket record, update the ticket status back to ticket record, and logs the successful transaction data into payment record. A receipt is generated and sent to the passenger. Next is 3.0 process, which is arrange bus and schedule management. The admin input data regarding the flight update and trip timing, which is stored in bus and schedule records. The admin also receive confirmation details. This update itinerary data made visible to the passenger when they search for rides.
In process 4.0, assign driver, the driver provides status details to the system, which are stored in the bus and schedules record. This data store is updated with the driver assignment information. After the trip, the customer may give feedback through process 5.0, collect feedback, and the feedback is stored in the feedback report. Finally, in process 6.0, generate report, all data from different records are gathered to create a report, which are then sent to the admin for the evaluation.
Now, let's move to the DFD level 1 of the passenger ticket booking system. This diagram breaks down the main process into smaller sub-processes. The passenger sends booking details to the system. The validate data process checks the information and returns a booking status. If valid, the data flows forward. Validated data goes into create ticket, where the system generates the ticket. The ticket information is stored in the ticket record data store, and the passenger receives a ticket confirmation. At the same time, passenger information is sent to store passenger, which saves the details in the passenger record data store.
Next, I will explain the entity relationship diagram for our bus ticketing system. The ERD shows the main entities, which is passenger, ticket, payment, bus, route, schedule, driver, admin, and feedback. Each entity stores important information. For example, passenger keeps personal details, ticket records seat and travel info, and payment handles transaction details. And now let's look at the relationship. A passenger purchases a ticket and each ticket is linked to a payment.
Tickets are also tied to a bus which follows a schedule connected to a route. This ensures we know when and where the bus is travelling. Drivers belong to a bus and are supervised by an admin, while admins also handle feedback from passengers. And finally, feedback and links passengers and admins, showing how service quality is monitored. In short, this ERD organizes how data flows in the system from booking and payment to bus scheduling and feedback. It ensures everything is connected, efficient and easy to manage.
Next, I will present about the input design. User can select their trip origin and destination using from and to location selector. Instant swap using a dedicated button to reserve the route without retyping. An interactive calendar picker handles the travel date to prevent scheduling errors. Plus and minus adjustment buttons allow user to easily specify the number of passengers. By clicking the Find button, you can execute the search to display available bus trip.
In this project, two outputs are designed for customer, which is the bus booking order confirmation and the bus ticket. Usually, customer will receive this confirmation after a successful transaction. This confirmation includes all the necessary information such as personal details, payment details, and order details to verify the booking. For the ticket, customer can choose either an e-ticket or an offline ticket on the boarding day depending on their convenience. The ticket only present key information about passenger name along with trip details like trip number, seat number, date, time, departure, and arrival to make the journey smooth and organized.
That's all from us. Thank you.